Spoiler Flair, you know what it is. I'm back with another video. Get at me. We're gonna see y'all at the location. What up, gang? It's your boy LaFleur. You know what it is. I'm back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. I'm gonna explain everything in another video. But right now, you know what it is. Got my boy with me. We on our way to that 219 car show. I'm gonna shoot 2 videos today. The first one, I just said we're going to the car show. The next one, y'all just gonna have to wait and see the next video. So I'm out here grinding, doing 2 videos today. So like, share, subscribe, comment. Go ahead and run my views up. Go ahead and run my subscribers up. Do all of that. Help your boy out, man. Get me monetized, man. Watch my videos. Get at me. We're gonna see y'all at the location. Okay?
Alright, we out here now, y'all. We out here. Let's check some cars out. Go some bikes. Might gotta do a little B-roll on this video. Too much copyright music out here. Been popping too. No doubt. Ready to go walk. Go walk around. Decent little crowd out here. See what they all got. Let's check out these. Try my best to stay away from this damn copyright music. Right here hard. Oh, right here. lot of this because there's too much damn copyright music in this mug. That's this bitch though. Clean, my boy, clean. Clean. A whole bunch of cars over there. We'll probably walk over there later. But look at this one. This one called hard. This motherfucker flip right here. It's a little bit of pressure out here, not too much though. Huh? Oh, girl. Check this out. This mug right here did a lot of work to it, you can tell. That inside look like motherfucker look nice. More clean. My son and grandson.
That nigga I hate YouTube it, man. Also,
You on YouTube, my boy? Say what's up. Slamming, ain't it? What that char? Oh, damn. That charger. That's what I want to see right here. Let me go over here real quick. Now this motherfucker, now this clean right here, boy. With the root cheese. Look this shit right here. Come on, crazy. Y'all probably can't see it, but this paint wet in the mud. This a mean paint job, dog. I love this paint job right here. What you on? Iced out. My boy on his grind. Yes, sir. Yeah, we gonna go back there. It was dead when we rolled past though. Yeah. Big 4G. Big 4G. Paint job right here. The rim's ugly, but it's a decent paint job though. High flip. High flip. Got some Ruchis on there. Got the Ruchis. This shit flip. Y'all can't see it, but it flipped though.
Say that you a lesbian girl, me too.
Look at this. Almost. Huh?
Get that green Malibu?
Which one?
Right there, boy.
Oh, yeah.
With the lights in it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go back down there in a minute. This motherfucker sitting up. Some Ace of 30s right here. They sitting up right here. They done put some 8s on that motherfucker. Yeah. People everywhere. All back there. All over there. He up here? My girl got a girlfriend. Never know that this is what's the name? Parking anything down here now.
I see chicks representing too.
Do it on them things. Sitting pretty on them things. Come up here, get y'all some ice cream, man. Straight up. Oh, nice. Clean. Huh. They out here.
Damn, look at that big ass truck.
You should have kept your bubble. You could have put some things on it.
Man,
You would have kept your bubble.
it's hard to find one nowadays too.
My God, who that showed one on what's the name? Look at this big thing right here.
Stepping stool to get up there.
They got the little ladder joints right here.
You got a little letter on there?
Damn, this bitch clean too. Look at the steering wheel. That bitch.
Yeah, how did we get up there? That stepping stool?
I guess, yeah. Pay attention to the details. This mother sitting up high. Now this right here though. My boy. He said he in the bike club too, huh?
Something about this awesome. I know it's the pictures right
Probably. Shoulda got a wash. That's lack clean right here. Granddaddy lack. Oh, clean. Yeah, that bitch. This hard right here. Flip. On them Ruchis. Motherfucker hard. Oh, this a wrap. I thought this was a pink. This a wrap. I see everybody riding Ruchis out here. I see them. Clean too. A lot of people rock Ruchis. You gotta come back, get that row in a second. This blue one nasty too. On the real. On them things. I like Ruchis and I like Corleone Ford. They're my two brands. Got this in the way. Oh no, this the one. This the one on them Forges. This mug clean. Woo. Yeah, it's real clean tonight. I've been looking for an old school, man. I'm trying to build one up myself. It's more clean. And it's a vert too. Drop that top on them. See that 4G wheel? Stop playing with them. This pink box right here go hard. With the Ruchi wheel. with the Rucci wheel. Not the Ruccis. Now this right here, this clean. I like these wheels. Yeah. I would have switched up the inside. That's about it though. Shout out to my street soldiers. How you been? Good with you. How you been? You better go. There's probably someone selling over there. And I'm drunk. I'm about to go down this road, check these cars out real quick. I'll come over there. I said I'm about to check this road real quick, then I'll be down there. Woo, look at this SS. Damn on them 4Gs. And it's a T-top too. Ooh. This bit of clean.
Ooh, get that one. Look at that. Oh, boy.
Tahoe on the thing. This bitch wet too. Flip. Oh, and it's a vert too. Got that drop top. Drop the top. They should have had CJ on 32s out here, man. They come kill this shit. For all my old school lovers. Everybody out here love Ruccis. This little 300 right here is straight. Close to it, huh? And it went off on me. Huh?
The bang did that.
I was about to say. Boy. Hey man, we about to walk around for a second, man. We damn near done showed all everything. We're gonna go to the other side then. I'm gonna wrap this video up and start my second one. I'm gonna go back there, see if there's some cars back that way in a minute. Oh yeah, they got a damn, we gonna walk down there. They got a whole damn horse down there. Y'all, what up, baby? So with you? Good with you. You already know. Where you at? Huh? Come up into the, what's the name? The car show. Up at Tri-City, man. You crazy. Hold on.
I ain't got the little Chucky doll in there. That's cool. That's cool.
Little Chuck. SRT over there looking clean. Put some roofies on the slingshot. Look at this horse. Let's go check this horse out over there. Somebody go check this damn horse out over there. They got a damn horse out here, y'all. Can y'all see it? Where is that? Got a whole horse out here. the horse out here, my boy. A lot of copyright music out there. I might gotta B-roll this video, so I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna see when I edit it. Alright, gang, man. I hope y'all enjoyed that video at the car show, man. Me and my boy Rob, we checking out, man.
Yo.
You about to see me in another video, so you see us with the same fits on. That's no, I told y'all we grinding out here. We about to shoot another video right now, and y'all about to see it. It's popping at the second event too, so
All in the same day.
you feel me? All in the same day, we out here grinding. Trying to bring y'all some lit content. Like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of that shit.
Yo.
Gang.